People don't come here for what they need. People come here for what they want.
PSA, man. Don't call me for the best prices. Period. Do not call me for the best prices. I don't have the best prices. I got the best work in the city. Don't call me because you think I'm the cheapest. Don't call me because you know me. You think I'm going to work with you the most, because I'm not. Swear to God. I don't have the best price. I don't have the best price. I do negotiate. I do negotiate. I do look out. I do help out. Do not call me for the best price. If you got other estimates, get your other estimates first. Get your other estimates, and if you like how they go with them. But if you need the best work, then reach out to me. That's it.
I'm LB from Four Corner Custom Products. Welcome in. Welcome to my channel where we do custom t-shirts, cups, and window decals, and much, much more. Check the description box down below to find out what else we got going on. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell notification, hit the like button, and share. Good evening, everyone. Doing another epic t-shirt here, designed for Intro to Meals. So why don't you go by there and check him out. He's a good YouTuber there. He's my beat man. If you need them hot beats or your intro, outro, I'll leave the link in the description so you can check him out. Alright. We're going to send this design to the Cameo. Alright, we're going to send it as is already. Flip horizontal or mirror, however you want to call it. not too bad to eat. A little more force would have been nice, but not too shabby. I still save my usual. But you like butter, a good cut settings, and a good sharp blade. Well, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and share. It helps the channel algorithm. Don't cost you a thing. So while you're doing that, we'll be here waiting on you. Thank you all for your support. Catch you in my next video.